And quick findings. So I got the spot welds out of this piece. Now it's much flimsier. It was mostly held together with some more silicone. And then I got down here. So that's not nice. So that's not attached to anything. The end of the sill is not attached to anything. And the bottom of the A-pillar is not attached. Like, it's literally just a bit of silicone was attaching the base of the A-pillar, the door frame, to the sill. So I might just cut it here, go down here, cut it all the way up here, and it looks like I'm going to be replacing from about here down because someone decided to cut some corners. So, and this is full of body filler, I'm guessing. So I might just end up cutting it right there at the back of the front fender. Well, crap, but yeah, that wasn't good. That was just gonna get loads worse. Boo! Oh well. At least we now have that. I have this piece. I can go and attach this once it's ready and repaired. I have stripped it. It's good to go. A couple little patches on that. Fix the crack there. Get rid of that bogey looking thing there. And then we're good from here down to here now. So disassembly. Let's discover what's there next. Bark. But better than leaving it. And that is a water channel. That literally, all the water from the windscreen goes there, down here, out this hole, down the back of that, and into the sill. So that won't do.